Welcome to the Approved Garage YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the button. So today, we're going to be installing a soft top on this Miata, or at least attempting to. So Tack, why'd you buy a Miata?
I like it.
Why?
Z.
We have our very own Money Pit Miata.
Our very own money pit. Like that channel on that video.
So the soft top came from Amazon. It was $229. It arrived in 3 days at the time.
What are you doing? I'm tearing it apart.
There's things on this end of the box.
Cut that out and open. Oh, you're right. There's tape on the long end of the box.
I know.
I wonder what my new soft top looks like.
I hope it's brown. That would be fun.
I would prefer it not be. What the hell is this?
I don't know. Maybe it's a pile of fabric and there's like a needle and thread in the bottom of the box.
It smells like oh no, my present. Don't grab my present. But you smell that, right?
It smells like rubber.
Yeah.
It smells like a shoe store.
Oh, wait, is this another piece of
Cool.
backup?
Maybe we need those for something.
Yeah, I'm gonna put that chair in it so I can.
So interestingly, the box says fragile, handle with care, glass. Tack, is that glass?
Yeah. Probably like plexiglass.
There it is. Alright. So we have the roof. There were no instructions in the box?
No. You just have to put it on.
Awesome.
You've never put on a soft top before?
Have you?
Yeah.
Okay.
In YouTube
Well, in that case, I'm just going to watch you do it.
Figured you're gonna.
So, it looks like
we gotta take out all these rivets to remove it from
oh god, I hope we don't have to re-rivet everything. That would suck.
something like that's what we're gonna have to do.
Well, we don't have the rivets to re-rivet it, so let's start off by removing these. So this is not attached. These are.
It's looking like. Yeah. Can you see these holes right here?
Yeah,
Can you see where they would go?
but is it attached to the thing?
Yeah.
No, but I mean, is there a replacement for this?
Nope.
We're not. So we're reusing that black plastic
Looks like it.
piece of crap.
Yeah.
Awesome. I bet you the more expensive ones don't require you to do that.
I bet the more expensive ones come with it.
Hmm.
Do they come with extra cloth?
That might have been a key differentiator.
Didn't say anything on the listing. I looked at so many different soft tops. I don't know, this could be a pretty clean soft top to put up there.
So
We're gonna have to unscrew these to remove the tarp from inside of it.
probably,
So it's looking like we're gonna have to take the whole thing apart kind of.
yeah. I'm interested to see how this works. So just watch, because I'm like the metal down here was bending as I was putting it out.
Oh.
So I was trying not to just yank on it, but
My metal wasn't bending. See that? Maybe you were just yanking on it. You don't have the right grip.
you're getting that's like the end of the metal, and there's a new metal here.
Wait, this is part of the metal. This one right here.
Yeah, that one's already unhooked.
I didn't know it was supposed to be part of the metal.
Yeah, I think that it. No, this is just ripped off, I think.
Oh. This is not the easiest thing in the world.
Well, I don't know why you thought it would be.
I thought it was going to be easy peasy lemon squeezy. Look at all that bent metal. Oh, bent it back too far.
I think yours is bent out too, which is why it was so easy to take off.
It's very flexible metal.
Interesting. Alright.
Luckily, this is just Velcro.
Nope, there's another one of those tabs underneath.
Oh, yep, you're right. Wondering how you can get this out without bending.
Oh, I think I know how.
There's so much crap inside this. Oh, did you use that to pry up the metal to take it out?
No, I was using it to try to follow this edge that's coming out.
Yeah, this one's like buried under.
Okay, let's just do this.
Oh yeah, we can just cut the top. We don't have to preserve it. Oh, looks like it is stuck in with a bar. It's attached to the bar. Right there.
It's just an edge.
I'm gonna snap that box cutter. So what I'm wondering is, how are we going to repurpose this piece of plastic?
I don't know. That's a good question.
Because in the YouTube video I watched, do I have to lift up this bit to lift up the other bit?
Mine, I started here.
Okay.
And then that bottom piece was removed like this, fully gone.
That's going to be a pain to put back in.
Nah.
Yeah. Oh, this one's cut down the middle. There's a little tab holding this bit.
There's this thing too. It's like a plastic thing with a wire on it, but the cap is.
That's for if it has a defroster.
I don't think it is. It doesn't feel like a.
Is it not?
No, it looks like a tensioner or something. I don't know. It's there's like a plastic piece at the end though. It's broken. It's supposed to attach here somewhere, maybe.
Mine doesn't have that.
Well, maybe just to get it out yet. It goes to this spring in the back.
Yeah, I'm not seeing one on my end over here. It's attached all the way up here. How did you get this part out? It looks like it's held in with little bits and bobs. All the way to.
Well, I didn't. I guess I did get it out.
Oh crap.
There's your wire.
So it looks like mine is installed.
Wire's broken.
Yes, we're breaking my 4-4 car.
No, I'm not. And your car isn't 4-4. Well, it is. Never mind.
Do I have to unscrew these to remove this? Which is what I'm wondering.
What, these? Yeah. No, it doesn't look that way. Because look, mine's released.
Mine's attached because the cable's inside. Your cable wasn't inside.
Interesting. So where does the cable... Here, let's collapse this. Watch your hands.
Collapse it.
Or maybe, I don't know, maybe we don't want to. Let's look here. So it looks like there's a Phillips here that we need to take out, and then this whole leading edge.
Piece of metal's bent. There's several. Actually, I don't know how much of this we have to unscrew to remove it. This side comes with a piece of plastic that fits into here, but the other side doesn't.
So I think this has to come off, and maybe this front
I'm
for
not
here.
sure if this piece has to come off though.
All right, so we got the new top stretched onto the frame for the most part. There are some things like you have to reuse this plastic bit from the old top. and the rivets don't hold incredibly well. So we're playing around with that still. We just kind of have it sitting on the car here because we ran out of time last night. So we're going to get the mounts mounted up. These mounts are just kind of sitting in the hole right now, and try to see how it actually fits on the car when everything is together. I don't know. I'm interested to see how it works out. But it's both of our first time doing a top on a Miata, or a top on anything. Honestly, I've never put a roof on anything. So, you know, for $229, I told TAC, I said, you know, if this lasts a year or two, it was worth it. It's a $200 roof. They sell them from, you know, $200 to $2,000. It seems like a nice one. Just a roof by itself without the frame is about $500. One with the frame is usually $1,000 to $2,000, it seems. So I went today and got some more rivets. We're going to get that. We're going to add the couple that I didn't have because we needed some smaller ones, some different sizes for, you know, spots in the frame. But, you know, the wraps are good. It clicked into place like it should. These poles are all wrapped and mounted. You know, we just need to kind of get everything mounted up and see how it works and if it leaks and, you know, kind of all of that stuff and go from there. Tack, does your car have a roof?
It has a ceiling.
Oh. That sucked. It takes 2 people to connect one side of it, but the overall fit and finish is pretty good, actually. It looks good. It came out pretty nice.